Guys, welcome to KG Anjana Vlogs, and today's vlog will be something different. And the most familiar person who always you can see in this group, regular subscribers can watch him always because he is always with me, and he is none other than my colleague Mr. Satyasilan sir. And today, although he's a teacher, he's also a very good cook, also a very good singer, you all might be knowing. And today he is going to make a Tamilian dish. So hello sir.
Yes, good evening to everyone. And yes, this is a pleasant climate. And I'm going to prepare today Tamil the South Indian recipe. It's called Vellai Kolambu. Literally, it's mean that white dish, but the color doesn't going to do anything here. So see, using an earthen stove. I'm going to use this pan to look at here to avoid the over blackening. I just coated with the red soil paste. Okay, and I'm going to keep it here.
Cooking outdoor,
Okay, fine.
really enjoyable, right sir?
Yes, yes.
So in order to avoid the burning, you have
No. See,
coated with
once due to we are burning with the help of firewoods, right? And once it get if the bottom it get more blackened,
Okay.
and it is hard to wash for us.
Okay.
We have to spend more time in it.
Very
to
good,
avoid
very good.
that, I used red soil and mixed with water, and I made kind of a paste and just applied layer around it. And
Okay,
in the bottom,
okay.
So that it will be easy for us to clean.
Fine.
Okay. Now you can add this is mustard oil, but you can add any vegetable oil, and it's
Okay.
roughly around. Just add little more. Just
So
like
this
that.
is ma'am, Jayanti ma'am helping Satyasilan sir. Ma'am, please say hi to my subscribers.
Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to add mustards.
Mustards.
Yes, mustard
Okay.
seeds. Hold this ladle here. See, and allow it to splutter. After that, we need to add onions, sliced onions.
Okay.
Let it get splutter.
Now I'm going to add onions and curry leaves. Let it sort out for 2 to 3 minutes.
So did you learn this item after marrying Satyasilan sir, or previously you were knowing, ma'am?
Previously we know, sir, but we call it as with a different name.
So much of smoke is coming. This makes us realize how people used to cook earlier times, right? Huh?
But if the firewood it is wet, sir, that's why for this climate it becomes.
Okay, fine.
That's why we are eating. If it is dried one mix, we won't get that much smoke. Why? Because continuously it will.
No. Sometimes when we are cooking, in firewood, we enjoy it. But just think of the people, those who are cooking daily in firewood. So much of troubles they might be facing, right? Sir. So this is Mr. Vijay sir. Do you know what item today we are preparing?
Sabji.
Sabji, your head. Vella Kolambu.
Potato. Next.
This is
brinjal,
Vella Kolambu, a Tamilian dish.
and we'll add.
What? What you are adding?
What is the name?
Potato.
Vellai Kolambu.
Hold this gently.
My God, you have come with many things. What are this? Please let me know.
Okay, see, this is no. This is chopped brinjal.
Okay.
And potato.
Okay, fine.
So allow it to fry for a while. Allow it to get fried for a while. Oil.
Okay.
Yes.
Oil was put in the beginning, right?
Potato is not peeled, madam.
No, sir, it's not peeled. We can peel and we can add we can add directly also, it's not a problem. Eating with potato it gives iron.
Oh, iron. Okay, really. I don't know the secret. Anyway, and now I'm adding salt. Kallupu, sir? Yes, crystal salt. And next
Crystal salts, right?
turmeric.
Okay. Haldi.
Let's mix it properly. You have the glass? Haldi. chili powder.
Sir, does this Colombo is there any meaning?
Sabji.
Colombo means sabji. Huh.
A kind of a
Type.
curry. You know, no. Colombo it has a different meaning.
Ah.
Colombo it has a different meaning. Usually, whatever different kind of Colombo it will be eaten with rice. Whatever you are mixing with rice and it should be in liquid state. And you know it takes thousands different meaning when I am saying Colombo.
Okay, okay.
Throughout Tamil Nadu, the Colombo people have. Yes, mean Colombo, chicken Colombo, like mutton Colombo, and puli Colombo, katrika Colombo.
Oh my God.
Yes, look at yes. Now I am going to add this grounded masala which consists of half coconut
Okay.
and 3 teaspoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin and 6 to 10 cloves of garlic and 2 tomatoes. That's all. Okay. It comes like this. And important ingredient, tamarind. Tamarind you soak it for at least 10 minutes, then you grind it along with this.
Fine.
Okay, now I'm going to add this. Puli.
Tamarind, imli. In Hindi we call it as imli, right?
The valampuli or kodampuli? This is ordinary puli, that's all. I don't know different kind of pulis there.
Valampuli. 2 types of imli is there.
Okay.
One is called Valan puli, straight puli.
Okay.
And another one is called Kodampuli. Kodampuli
Okay.
means it is round.
No, Kodampuli and Valampuli, this is in Malayalam or Tamil?
Malayalam.
Okay, fine. It looks so nice, right? Huh?
This one I have already tasted in my engineering college days
Huh.
when I was studying in Trichy.
Okay.
So the college hostel when I was staying,
Huh.
the midday meal had rice and this vellai kulambu.
Okay.
Yes, now see after adding the paste and I added enough of water so that and see it should the raw smell should go away and we should wait for the consistency and you need patience. Okay, and you no need to do anything, just check out whether it's reaching the consistency or not. Okay, I'll show the consistency once it's finished. Till that you need to keep some patience and wait, then only you can
Bulbul will
enjoy
come,
the
no?
dish.
Bubbles.
Bubbles, yes, whatever you are boiling the bubbles should come.
Bulbul bubbles.
Yes, Satya sir. What
Yes,
is
sir.
the difference between gas cooking and this natural
First
cooking?
of all, there is no GST. Right? There is no GST, and you no need to depend on anyone else. And whatever we are getting from nature, that we are doing it. That's all.
Taste any difference, sir?
Taste.
Taste will be definitely, sir. Definitely, there will be a very good taste.
Taste is actually depends upon the person who is cooking. Right. And
But
depends.
the same person cooking the same dish in gas and in this one wood, which one will be tastier?
It's quietly depends upon person to person. Few people they feel convenient to cook in gas. I am feeling convenient. I didn't say that I'm feeling convenient to cook in this, and it will give a different experience. Depends upon the person and how much. What is the ratio of the ingredient what they are adding in.
My God, it took such a long time to boil, sir.
Yes, cause of we don't have any
I
option
went
to
little to
increase.
Vijay sir house and I roomed and I came.
No. Actually, we don't have any option to increase and decrease the flame rate like the gas stove what we use in our home.
Yes, that's true.
So,
Exactly.
yeah, there will be some inconvenience. And something, it's not making us lazy. There is a proverb in Tamil, ஆக்க பொறுத்தவன் ஆற பொறுக்கணும்.
What?
ஆக்க பொறுத்தவன் ஆற பொறுக்கணும். It's ஆக்க பொறுத்தவன் ஆற பொறுக்கணும். It's mean that when you have patience to cook, you need to have the same patience to eat also. See, when I'm cooking some recipe with with same heart, if I begin to eat, I'll split up. So entire dish will spoil. So you need patience at all time. ஆக்க பொறுத்தவன் ஆறவும்
Wow.
So people maintain patience for 15 minutes, and the last minute they lose their patience, and that's the process will spoil.
Exactly.
Right.
Yes, so finally the curry is ready.
Yes.